In tonight's episode, I'd like to share with you some reflections for Good Friday 2024. All of this and more coming right up. Hi, my name is Lex and welcome to Lex in Motion. In this channel, I'll be helping you build your competence, confidence, and capability in law school. Start today by hitting the subscribe button below. New episodes are posted every Friday. Summer na naman at naroon na ang kanya-kanyang budol ng mga kuya, tito at mga tatay sa pagpapatuli. Naroon na ang tatangkad daw kami pagkatapos kaming matuli. Tutubuan na ng balbas at magiging mama na daw ang aming mga boses. Mahirap, masakit pero naroon naman daw ang benefits. Pero hindi sinabi sa akin na kung ako ay tutubuan ng balbas ay hanggang eyebags ko pala ang aahitin ko. Ngayong Good Friday, napapaisip lang ako kung alam kaya ni Kristo na siya ay paparusahan at sasaktan. Alam kaya niya na siya ay ipagkakanulo ng isa sa mga tropa niya. Alam kaya niyang siya ay paparusahan na parang kriminal sa isang sala na hindi naman niya nagawa. Alam kaya niyang siya ay itatali sa isang poste at hahambalusin ng latigo hanggang matuklap ang kanyang laman. Alam kaya niyang bubuhat siya ng krus na para lang sana sa mga makasalanan. I wish I could tell you more kapatid, pero hindi siguro ako ang dapat magkwento nito sa'yo. Ngayong araw na ito, aaminin ko, ako ang kaklase mong walang nabasa. Bagkus ay nakinig lang din ako sa discussion ng mga kaklase nating mas matalino at nauna lang din siguro ako sa school. The Bible tells us that the night before he died, Jesus went out and ate with his friends. He didn't have an after party. Instead, he went out to pray. He prayed for the strength to continue. In the great grand story of his crucifixion, there is really nothing that would suggest that he knew what was coming. In his final moments, he gave up and lifted everything to God. Mas naging madali kaya sa kanyang tanggapin ang lahat ng hirap, pasakit at kahihiyan na daranasin niya kung alam niya kung ano ang ending. Masasabi kaya niya na bela at hindi naman masakit. Masasabi kaya niya, baba bitches, I'ma go to heaven after this. Nothing would suggest kapatid that Jesus knew that he would conquer the grave, that the symbol of criminality in his time would someday become our symbol for our salvation. Nothing would suggest that he knew that he'd come back to life on Easter Sunday morning. The thing with law school kapatid is that it's an awfully unrewarding place. Hindi mo alam kung may magandang nangyayari sa'yo. Hindi mo alam kung may aanihin ka kahit na ikaw ay nagsusunog ng kilay. From one to sawa, kakabasa ng mga libro na hindi mo naman naiintindihan. At kung ikaw ay tatawagin sa klase ay biglang wala ka din namang maaalala. I wish I could tell you that within the first 180 days from signing the roll of attorneys, you will make every single centavo you have spent on your education. Oo kapatid, kasama ang libro. I wish I could tell you that within 2 years, you would have recovered everything you've ever spent on law school, including your transportation, fuel, at pati na rin ang lahat ng kinain mo at pinakain sa iyo. I wish I could tell you that you will work long hours, often from 4 a.m. to a little before midnight, just as you are doing now. I wish I could tell you that all of it will be worth it, not because you can now buy all of the ridiculous things you want to buy, but because one day, someday, a family of displaced farmers will look into your eyes and cry because you've given them back their livelihood. I wish I could tell you the relief you will feel when the gavel pounds and the father wrongfully accused is acquitted and reunited with his children. I wish I could tell you how a young woman can finally begin to heal once her abuser is behind bars. I wish I could tell you how a massive settlement can change the entire trajectory of a motorcycle delivery rider's life and the lives of his children. I wish I could travel back in time and tell myself not to give up. I wish I could tell my young, fresh, hip, vibrant, and relevant self from a few decades ago to continue with the dream of becoming a lawyer. Hindi mo kailangan malaman kapatid kung ano ang saya at ligaya ang sayo ay paparating sa parehong paraan na hindi mo rin kailangan malaman kapatid kung anong parusa ang sayo ay nag-aabang. Sapat na alam mo at alam din ni Kristo na sa pagsapit ng bawat Good Friday, sa paglubog ng araw sa munting burol ng Kalbaryo, naroon ang isang krus ng isang taong nagbuwis ng buhay para sayo. na sa bawat dumaang Biyernes Santo ay susunod din ang iyong Pasko ng pagkabuhay. I know kapatid that I cannot travel back in time. But if there's one thing I wish I could tell my younger self, it would be this. Salamat Lex at hindi ka sumuko. Salamat Lex at lumaban ka. This Good Friday, I pray for all of your Easter Sundays. I pray that one day, someday, you can say thank you to your younger selves for not quitting, not giving up, and for keeping your hopes and dreams alive. Let's do an experiment tonight, kapatid. In the comment section, I want you to write a short note or letter for your future self. Isulat mo dyan ang isang message na gusto mong mabasa mo sa hinaharap. Safe space ito kapatid. Una, dahil 6 lang naman tayong nanonood dito sa channel. Pangalawa, hindi naman din kayo magkakakilala. Wala naman ding may alam na ikaw ay nanonood dito. Sa isang simpleng mensahe kapatid, you will have some corner of the internet where you can come back to in the future. Parang mga vandalism sa CR natin nung high school. Anonymity, security, and the idea that you have written something for yourself. For my part, I will be praying for you, and I also invite everyone who is reading the comments to pray for each and every one of your messages. Salamat kapatid kung inabot mo ang ending ng episode na to. Salamat din kung kahit papano ay natulungan kita. If you would like to see more content on how to build your confidence in law school, please let me know by typing yes in the comments down below. Alam ko na simpleng yes lang ito kapatid, pero mahalaga ito sa amin. By typing yes in the comments, you are telling me and telling the team that what we do here is helpful. By typing yes in the comments, you are telling me and telling the team that an actual sentient human being watched this episode at may totoong tao ang nakinabang sa aming pinagpaguran. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share this video for Good Law School Karma, and I will see you again next Friday.